Hello and welcome to Adalysis. In this video, we want to explain the new dashboard and how to use it as your PPC to-do list. So when you log in, you're now going to see account alerts, recommendations, and health checks. You can expand these items and you'll see how many critical alerts and non-critical alerts you have for each item. Now, critical alerts are items that stop ad serving. So this could be keyword conflicts. It could be broken landing pages. So critical alerts are items that really should be fixed immediately. Now, non-critical alerts are performance suggestions and things to do across your accounts. This could range from ad groups with one ad, potential negative keywords from ngram data, potential new keywords from search term data, and so forth. Now, with these, you can see the impact. What's the impact of making this change? And how long does it take to implement? So if you only have a few minutes between a meeting, you can look for something that's very short to do. If you have all day that you're going to work on your account, then you can look for higher impact items or items that take longer to do. So by looking at your impact and time, you can prioritize what you want to accomplish. Now, a lot of these are based upon filters. So you can go ahead and look at, say, search terms. There's 3 search terms to add as keywords. We can click on this. It'll open up the filter for us. Now, all these filters start with a default value. So in this case, it's conversions more than 2. Now, if we save this as our new filter, and we go back to our dashboard, we can refresh our data, so you can now refresh on demand. You'll see it's now 4 suggested terms. If we go back again to our search terms, and we look at our filter, potential positive keyword, and we adjust it. Maybe we don't want to see conversions more than 2. We want to see cost per conversion is also less than 5. And apply this. That's how many would fit the criteria, in this case 3 keywords. Then we can save this customized filter. When you save these custom filters, you'll see this special icon next to a potential positive keyword as you've customized a filter. Now you can go to any one of these and change the overall filters. When you have a keyword, an ad, an ad group, depending on the data type that hits that criteria, then on the dashboard, you will automatically see that information. So you can refresh these now on demand if you change the filter, or you go make a lot of changes in your account, you can refresh it. If you go directly to the interface and make changes, you can refresh these on demand. So this way, this is essentially your to-do list for your PPC account. Now, if you look at it and you don't want to take action, you can dismiss the alert. Now, since these alerts are based on set criteria, if you dismiss an alert, and the next time we run that data analysis, you have new items that meet that criteria, then we'll show the alert again. You can also just click on the tooltip icon to jump to the help file with more information. So across the account now, you will see only things to do with impacts, time. If you make changes, you can refresh the data and you can dismiss it. So that's the alert-based section, based upon either filters or pre-built criteria of things to do. Now, account recommendations. These are things that should be done in the account as well, such as this account has 13 text ads, which are now losers. They should be paused. So we can click here, we jump to our single ad group testing screen. We can either pause everything at once. Of course, we could choose what metric we want to pause it by, or we can look at each individual ad group. Other recommendations could be ngram data, data studio reports. Now, if you look and say, I like the data studio report, but I don't need to look at it yet, you can snooze it. So snooze it for a week, snooze it for a month, or just dismiss this particular recommendation type. And so this will help you stay up to date with all the other items you need to have done. Now, if you want to, you can make a note. So my custom to-do note. Save that, and now you have your own notes of things to get done in the account as well. Now, if something does not meet your criteria, such as you don't have any disapproved ads, you don't have any disapproved image ads, or there's something that doesn't currently fit any of the filter criteria, we'll show it here so you can see the other items that are being checked that don't have a problem at the moment. We also redesigned the ad testing dashboard so that you can see a quick glance at all your performance changes and you can still dig deeper into the data. Same for your health check for your ad testing, and same for quality scores. So you can still see all your quality score information graphed out. We can see these are our ad groups that are our highest priority that need help. We can click here. We'll jump to the ad group screen. We could then quickly graph out the sub-factors to see what the major issues are over time. Its current problem is expected CTR, and go ahead and work on the quality scores. The ad extension data is still here as well, where you can see your spend by extension, how many extensions are being used across the account. So this new dashboard really starts with number one, what's critical. Critical alerts need to be fixed. Once you finish the critical and there's none left, then if you have just a few minutes between meetings, look for quick wins, things that don't take much time. And if you have all day, look at things that take longer to fix but are also important impact, such as missing extensions. So with this new dashboard, focus first on critical. Then second, if you have a short amount of time, take a quick glance at what's very quick to fix. If you have large amounts of time, look at higher impact items that need to be fixed. And if you click on an alert, we pop up the filters for it, if applicable. And if you want to adjust the filters, adjust the filter, click Save Customized. Then you can refresh the data on demand, see how many keywords, ads, etc. fit that new criteria, and then work through the account alerts and account suggestions. And this should be a good PPC to-do list to increase your account performance.